Everybody jumping on the streets to buy the new iPhone 12. But wait, Apple actually confirms serious new problems for iPhone 12 users. Have you knew that about? So the Apple's new iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max are selling like the hot cakes. But Apple has now quietly confirmed they're also selling with a serious hardware problem. According to an internal Apple document obtained by Mac Rumors, Apple has acknowledged that iPhone 12 models are suffering from significant display issues, including flickering green and gray glowing and a variety of other lighting problems. Interestingly, despite users posting some extreme examples of their discolored iPhone 12 displays, Apple's internal document told authorized service provider to avoid servicing affected iPhone, at least for now. While this may anger owners, I suspect this is the reason Apple will first attempt to try and fix or at least mitigate some of these problems with iOS updates. Apple actually gives no timeline for this, however history does. Apple's previous iPhone 11 range also suffered from green tint problem, and while the company did replace some units under warranty, it managed to address milder cases in iOS 13.6.1, which arrived about 2 months after the first reported problems. With leaks around Apple's next generation iPhone 30 already revealing its display will be one of the biggest upgrades, hopes will be high that this issue won't occur for a third successive generation. That said, this won't be much comfort to those stuck in limbo right now. So if you're an iPhone 12 user and you also have suffered from the similar problem, make sure to leave a comment and keep your idea. Even if you're not an iPhone user, make sure to leave a comment below and we will see you what we can do about it. See you in the next video. Keep visiting Tigers Schooling.